Hello, hello, hello. Good morning mga kababayan. I have two questions for you. First, what are your dreams? And second, who will finance your dreams? Here's the thing mga kababayan. If you think right now that your present situation or your present job cannot finance your dreams, which is definitely cannot finance your dreams, then the best thing to do mga kababayan is to look for a partner. A partner who can finance your dream. A partner company, mga kababayan, who will finance our dreams, your dreams, mga kababayan. And because of that, I would personally recommend to you, Live Good Company, mga kababayan ko. Live Good Company can finance your dreams and our dreams. In fact, right now, mga kababayan, there are already thousands and thousands of Filipinos achieve their financial goals because of Live Good Company. Now mga kababayan ko, this is a challenge for you. This is an invitation for you. Why not you? Why not you? So I would suggest, make a decision right now. Join Live Good. You just click the link tour, my link tour mga kababayan ko. It's www.livegoodtour.com/audax. Mga kababayan ko, bye for now and see you at the top. Bye-bye.